Greetings and salutations, Foncio, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I made Wama's yellow black hooded cape. It is very simple to make, and I did not need a pattern for this. So if you like what you see, keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, these two fabrics I believe these two fabrics I believe I found in the quilting area of Joann's. They're like this like cotton type fabric. One is like this like a kind of like a golden yellow. I didn't want too light of a yellow, but it looks brighter on camera than it does in person. And I got like a black. Too. This is solid colors. I like though I never want like too much texture to it though. But if I do decide to remake this cape, I'll probably add I'll probably do like the outside of the cape give like a black pattern one, but I couldn't find one in my budget. So, but I did get a yard and a half of each. So you guys see it. Okay, with the fabric, I laid it out on the floor and I basically measured out 16 inches, 1/6, and I um, kind of folded it like in half to make a square. Very simple, like it is very simple to make this. It's like you could get away with like with like 2.5. Is it 2.5 euros? The other half, I think it's the other half. Like with I don't know how long you want the actual cape part to be though of fabric, and I use 16 inches though. I wanted a big hood, so I kind of planned it like though, but I used like 16 inches for my hood, and I cut the yellow out first, and then I lost the clip of me cut it out using the yellow to help measure out the black fabric, and I also cut out the black fabric as well. I kept the hood together and the um cape together because I just wanted to almost separate together but separate, and that I hope you guys understand what I'm saying and all of this and how crazy it really is, but it's really simple in how you can make this hood. I did have to do some trimming to the black fabric to make it even with the yellow though, but other than that, the fabric I didn't have to do much to the fabric. I just want to apologize if some of this footage of me showing is confusing. I'm looking at it, it is confusing me a little bit though. But I did like iron it. You do see me iron it. Looks like I pinned it and then I ironed it some though. So but do iron the fabric on any project that you want going on and just make it look nice and anything there. But I did the hood first and I used like black and yellow thread respectively, and I did top stitch, but when I sewed the hood, I top stitched the yellow separately then from the black, and then when I sewed the hood together with the yellow and black pieces, I top stitched that. It looks like it's cut out. Yeah, yes, I top stitched that, and then I and because I did the rest of the cape and sewed those two pieces together with that, I use like one color thread on top and one a different color on the bottom, like in the bottom piece. So just to just to sew them together to make so like the thread matches the yellow and the thread matches the color of the fabric, so just to like stand out. I guess so because like yellow and black are two contrasting colors. And then though, but I did do a lot of sewing and with it though, and I have made like a nice, like, more fancier cloak before. It was more like my, I made a cloak before it's like more nice and fancy and everything though, but I didn't when I was like how I think I put the top stitch in. It looks like I pinned them together and sewed those pieces like together though, and to make a nice simple seam. Oh, and my dog's in the background licking herself. I'm sorry. This is a lot of sewing for a simple scarf, not scarf, cape, a hooded cape. So, well, for the last two items, like the other neck pieces, is a piece of women to kind of hide how the seam is. Let's say to just make it look pretty and anything and not look as messy. You don't have to do it, but I thought it looked nice. Nice to add that women. I had like extra women from when I made from my tunic. Though I still have extra women on hand just in case I need it. And for the basically clothes or for the hood, I have this is clay pieces that are just like pin back that I got from uh a yard sale, and I just painted it with nail polish and it's just a dome thing. Like I glazed it over basically. I just found some trim that will go great with it, and I also painted the like the clay that I had with like nail polish I got from the Dollar Tree. So that is it for my video. If you guys like what you see, please please subscribe and whatnot, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Bye.